Okay, so what we're going to do today is look at a ballistic pendulum. In a ballistic pendulum, you fire a bullet and you hit an object, a piece of wood in this case, and then this piece of wood with the bullet stuck in it will then fly up kind of on a swing up on a pendulum up to a certain height. And in order to solve this problem, you need first momentum conservation. Momentum conservation tells you that the mass times the velocity of the bullet is going to equal the mass of the whole object, the mass of the bullet plus the mass of the block times its velocity. So from this you can solve for velocity of the bullet plus the wooden block, and you get this answer. Now that the bullet's in here, we know that it's going to move up to a certain height, and the kinetic energy that it has at the moment when it has this impact will equal the potential energy that you get here. So if I look over here now, I can say that the kinetic energy of this block plus the bullet is going to equal the potential energy. And then we can solve for the height of this, and I know that, so I've got this formula here for the height as a function of this velocity of the system, and I can substitute this in here, and then basically I get a height which is equal to all of this. And I know that the bullet is moving at 275 meters per second, and the bullet has a mass of 1 gram, and the block has a mass of 470 grams. So I solve for this, and I get that the height change would be 0.017 meters. Now if you look over here and you say, we calculated beforehand that if it's going to go 1.7 centimeters up in the air, then this will travel a distance of about 40 centimeters. So it'll travel from here 10, 20, 30, 40 centimeters, and so this whole system should move to about here, okay, if this works. So now we find out if it works. This time I put on my ear protection and my eye protection. Good. And I take my bullet. Load it up. And we check. And we're going to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Okay? And there you have it. Well, thanks for watching. It looks like I survived today. But if you want to find out if I survive the next experiment, then remember to click like, click subscribe, and I'll see you next time.